Hello, today we're going to take a look at how to use search within QxControl. You see on the left-hand side of the search page here, we do have all of the thumbnails. These populate with events in QxControl. If you see a green icon, that means video is available. If you choose an icon here that has video, you can see that the video scrub bar will appear. And with the floating action button, we can download the clip itself, we can save an image, go full screen, or play in a new tab. So very easy to navigate here. We can also refresh to pull in any new events that have recently populated. You can also choose autoplay and it will continue to play through the clips one after another. Now, finding and searching for events in QxControl is very easy to do. Anything in QxControl has a tag associated with it. We can search for the name of people, the name of cameras. We can also search under general headings such as cameras. And you see when I type in cameras that all the available cameras within my scope all appear. Very similar to using an internet search engine. We can also do things like search based on motion. So if I choose this, you can see that the motion filter tag is applied, and it is now showing me only video associated with motion. Also, we were able to pull in analytic events from cameras through the OnViv profile. Once these are enabled, they will be searchable in QxControl. Pretty common analytic on board a camera would be a line cross. So you'll see here that with the cross line tag is applied, I'm only seeing cross line events here. We can also further refine based on date and time. So we could go back, we'll say 1 week. And we can also choose a window time. So this means we know that something happened during a particular time. We don't know which day it occurred. So just for this scenario here, we'll enter 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. for the last week. And then you will see that now we are only looking at video clips associated with line cross for the last week. If we like the search that we've created, we'd like to use it again later. Click on the ribbon icon, and this will give us the option to do a save search as. We'll give it a name. And if we go back to the ribbon icon, you can see that that search is available there. Also, if you would like more information on some of the general search headings that you can use, the question mark icon will give you those. So again, whether the events are video or door related or device related, everything is very easy to find, search, download, and play within QxControl.